Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we got another car we're getting ready to put on the lot. I'd like to share this with you. This is a 2013 Subaru Legacy. Now it is the premium trim package. It's a nice car. It's all-wheel drive, light colored interior. I'll show you that in just a moment. It has a 2.5 liter four-cylinder engine, so it should get you some very good gas mileage. But beautiful white exterior color on this car. We'll do a short walk around on the outside, then we'll go on the inside. Nice and clean looking car. Very elegant looking to me. So get back here on the back, show you that. And of course right here you can see the all-wheel drive. So let's go ahead and pop the trunk. Okay, here we are. I went ahead and got the trunk opened up. Very clean inside and very spacious. Okay, we'll continue to do our walk around on the driver's side. And there is one imperfection. I want to point this out. It's right there. Everything else is very clean on this. So let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Okay, so here we show you the interior, light tan in color. And you do have two tone color door panels, same tan color, and then a black at the top. Very sharp. I wanted to show you, I hope that you can see this, but see the little emblem. You do have heated mirrors on this car. Okay, you do have front power seats. You can see your controls right here. Show you a little view here before we hop inside and show you the door panel. Now before I get in, I want to show you this area right here, a little bit different area. You do have your controls for your mirrors, your lights, your interior lights, and then down here traction control, and this is for your trunk release, and this is for your parking brake. So let's go ahead and hop on the inside. Okay, here we are on the inside, and show a little bit here, then we'll go and show you the instrument cluster. And if you back off a little bit here, you do have Bluetooth connectivity for your smartphone, so your controls for that and your audio is here on the left. Cruise control is on the right. Now I don't know if you can see right here, but it does have paddle shifters. So if you want to go and do your own manual shifting, you have that capability. Go over here to the control center. You do have a LCD control center up there that will illuminate, light up, and your audio control does have a CD player, and you do have a little bit of a storage compartment right there. And get down here, your climate control. Now ladies and gentlemen, this car does have heated seats on both sides, so just flip the little rocker switch high and low, and it's going to warm you up on those cold mornings. Really nice how the trim is around the gear shift. But two cup holders and armrest. This does open up, and you see you do have USB, auxiliary input, and then your 12 volt for all of your electronics. And show you the back seat. Plenty of space back there. The center armrest, it does fold up or folds down. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's the newest addition to our family here, 2013 Subaru Legacy, the premium trim package, 2.5 liter four-cylinder engine. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call up here. Come take this thing for a test drive. We've got a lot of financing options available. Little to no money down with approved credit. Very easy to get in this thing, and with the price that we have on this, it's a ridiculously low payment. So here, tax refund season coming back, grab yourself a car. Have a great day.